This is Astrobot, a Chinese company. They've unveiled a humanoid robot with amazing speed and precision that is sure to turn heads. Now, to be honest, it can be easy to get lost in the never-ending stream of new gadgets and technologies. But every once in a while, something comes along that really makes you sit up and take notice. This is one of those times. This humanoid robot can move with lightning speed, up to 10 meters per second. And it's not just fast, but also incredibly precise. It can pour wine without spilling a drop and even give you a close shave without missing a single hair. Of course, the video has raised a few questions for us. Does the S1 have a lower half? All of the humanoids we've seen so far have some means of locomotion, but this seems to be a fairly stationary bot. We're also curious to know a bit about Astrobot's history and backing and the likelihood that the S1 will eventually enter production. We've reached out to the company for some answers and will update this article if we find out more. The company also states the name of Astrobot comes from the ancient Latin proverb ad astra per aspera, which means a journey through hardship to reach stardust, which represents the company's long-term plan and firm commitment to the development and popularization of AI robot technology. If Astrobot does indeed have staying power, it is certainly going to heat up the space and gain the attention of the other humanoid robot makers. But let's not forget that robots are just machines, albeit incredibly advanced ones. They don't have emotions or feelings like we do. So, while this robot is impressive in its abilities, let's appreciate its technological advancements without getting caught up in its human-like qualities. So there you have it, folks. A fascinating glimpse into the future of robotics. Stay tuned for more updates as this technology continues to evolve. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for until next time, keep exploring.